Hello, my name is Thomas from Anemo Engineering, and I'm going to present to you our Auto-Lok nut range and how it works. Basically, these nuts are very high vibration resistant and very high temperature resistant. This has the advantage over the standard nylon nuts, which only work from a certain temperature range. While Auto-Lok nuts go to temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius. You have 4 different material types. The first one is a class 8, that's a standard steel. You also have class 10 steel, and then you also have stainless steel A2 and A4, which is this one. You can see clearly here that this has a slot. The reason for it is that when you screw on the nuts on a male thread, the slot will expand and which will fix the nut on the bolt. Basically, you just screw this on until you feel some friction, and afterwards you need to put quite some force. And as you'll see, the first slot is already expanding. When you screw further, the second slot will also expand, and this won't come loose anymore, unless by unscrewing, of course. This is mostly used in the train industry, where you have a lot of vibration. But for example, we also sold this part to McDonald's in the US, where it's used in an oven up to a high temperature. If you have any further questions, you can always contact us on autoloknuts.com.